Are you looking for the best digital soldering stations in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best digital soldering stations that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, X-TRONIC 60W Soldering Iron with 5 extra tips. X-TRONIC 60W Soldering Iron is a fine selection of a soldering station that you can rely on for top-notch services. This unit has up to 5 extra tips that will suit you better. Apart from this, the product has a powerful 60W soldering iron for better reliable and convenient operation. With a working temperature of 392 to 896 degrees F to bring about reliable services. The price of the product is relatively lower despite the top-notch features. What is more, the product has a steel spring soldering iron holder, which makes it a better pick that will handle your needs. At number 4, HAKO Digital Soldering Station. This is another top-rated soldering station you will find ideal for your operations. The soldering station has a sleek smaller design to employ in the limited areas. Furthermore, it has a longer working temperature for handling your operations. What is more, the product is carefully built to serve you longer and efficiently. It rises to a higher temperature of 350 degrees C to carry out most of the soldering tasks. Also, it has a thermal recovery graph that will deliver better operations. It is a safer and reliable product that you can rely on for top-notch services. Equipped with powerful thermal heaters, it is a piece that will suit your needs. At number 3, Xtronic Digital LED 75W Soldering Iron Station. With this top-quality soldering station, you can efficiently solder most of the units, thus a pick that you may try out. Due to the smaller compact design, it is fit for use in smaller spaces. Besides this, the unit has a 10-minute auto shutoff system to keep it safe for all users. Moreover, the product has a working temperature range of 392 to 896 degrees F for handling a wide range of tasks. In addition to this, the soldering station has a powerful 75W soldering iron for top-notch performances and increased longevity. It has a lightweight portable design for use whenever needed. Finished in a wide range of colors, you get to pick the ideal color option. The price of the unit is relatively lower despite the quality features. At number 2, Weller Digital Soldering Station. Do you need a perfect soldering station to handle your operations? This is a special soldering station you may consider when making the order. This unit is up to 40% more powerful, which means that it will get the job done faster. Second, to this, the soldering station has a sleek compact design that makes it a breeze to use in limited spaces. What is more, it comes with a high-power strong iron for efficient soldering. It also has a temperature lock that protects the components and tips. The unit is easy and simpler to handle thanks to the heat-resistant silicone cable. The price of the unit is relatively lower despite the quality features, hence a piece to try out. At number 1, Auroland Soldering Station Adjustable Temperature System. Here is a functional and reliable soldering station you will get great for your budget. Despite the affordable price of the product, you will get it very reliable and great for most soldering tasks. Apart from this, the product operates at variable temperatures of 392 to 896 degrees F for handling a wide range of tasks. Moreover, the soldering station has a strict quality management system, which guarantees prolonged use and stability for years of use. The good news is that the product is fit for use in smaller spaces thanks to the sleek ergonomic design. This soldering station has a 60W digital LED display that provides excellent illumination when working under low light conditions. The pack also provides you with a heat-resistant sponge and AC power cord for reliable uses. It is certified by both FCC and ESD for safe operation. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.